Hey Manosphere, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one I'll be making cheesesteaks on Texas toast bread. Here's the steak that I bought. I like onions and peppers on mine. My kids do not. Okay, so what I do first is I cook the chopped steak on a flat pan. Well, not really flat, but in a pan, so it could cook out all the grease out of the steak. I have my garlic and my butter, but that's for my shrimp. My daughter wants shrimp, and she said that it looked like giant crawfish, and I was like, no, that's just how shrimps look when they still have their little legs and shells on them. But yeah, I cooked the meat and so in a pan so it could degrease out. And while I'm doing that, I'm making my shrimp, and then I'm getting my Texas toast ready. So I put aluminum foil in my oven, and then I slide them in the oven like that because I don't have a big enough pan for all of the toast. When the steak is done, I degrease it in the sink, and then I put my Texas toast in the oven to cook while I'm degreasing my steak. And my shrimps are almost done. It is in the butter garlic sauce, and then I have my peppers and onions on the side about to get chopped. You don't have to degrease your steak. I do because I don't like all that grease. And then I start seasoning my meat while I degrease it, and then I season it again when I put it in the pan. I would chop the peppers up more finely because I like it in lines. You'll see. Texas toast is done. Some have cheese, some don't. Why not? And that is done, and the steak is done. I cook my onions and peppers. There's my shrimp, beautifully done in pink. Beautiful. It smells and tastes awesome. Now I'm gonna put the steak on the Texas toast. 2 peppers and onions for now. Remember, you only want it to melt the cheese, not cook the bread more because you don't want it to burn. It's already cooked, guys. Those 2 up there is for hubby. I'm gonna make some more. So I forgot to record the process. Don't mind my other daughter listening to Bluey. So we melted a stick of butter. Butter our cookie sheet pan right here. Added a stick of butter melted in with the oats. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon of water. And if you have chocolate chips, you could add that in there as well, or raisins or cranberry. You can put vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of that as well. Now we're going to form our cookies with the spoon and add it to our cookie sheet. I'm so sorry, Madness fam. I forgot to show you. I was cooking and I forgot to show you that I put them in the oven, 350 for 13 minutes. And you can see when they're like golden brown on the bottom, but you don't want the top to be burnt. You want them to, I like my oatmeal cookies chewy. So now we are going to set them on the table so they can dry. Cool down, not dry. If you're making larger oatmeal cookies, you want to keep them in the oven longer than 13 minutes. I would say like 20 to 22 minutes. But if you're making regular size oatmeal cookies, 13 minutes will suffice. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.